Maintaining correct and consistent storage temperatures throughout the food chain is critical, from source right through to the dinner table. Let temperatures drift and risk the growth of harmful bacteria, reduce shelf life, and increase safety risks for those that consume the food. Worldwide regulations exist to ensure that food is safe for consumption by the time it reaches a plate, and that manufacturers, transporters, retailers, and restaurants recognise the need for due diligence in the prep and storage of food. Store it correctly and prove it. But where? Cold chain is the refrigerated journey that raw or cooked temperature-sensitive food makes as it moves from field to supermarket or restaurant. In this environment, a temperature of between 2 and 8 degrees Celsius, but preferably under 5, stops bacterial proliferation. EasyLog ELCC and ELPDF loggers are reusable, low-cost, waterproof devices that can be placed with food throughout that journey. No human intervention, no scheduling of spot checks, a simple, automated temperature profile of the ambient environment in which the food was stored, downloaded from the device straight to a smartphone, tablet, PC or printer, including alarms that indicate out-of-range issues. For fridges, freezers or static warehouse locations, EasyLog's Wi-Fi sensors provide both a record of temperatures over time, as well as sending instant email and SMS alerts should a temperature breach occur. Devices are battery powered, so we'll continue to monitor in the case of a power failure, with detailed and summary data of any logging sessions viewable remotely from an internet-enabled device on the EasyLog cloud. The second critical area of monitoring is during the cooking process, where produce such as meat must be checked to ensure a safe internal temperature has been reached or the ovens are performing to spec. Devices for monitoring both tend to have external temperature probes, either thermistors or thermocouples, which can be inserted into the food during cooking or put inside an oven without exposing the actual logger to damaging temperatures. Thermistors, boasting high accuracy and faster response time but with a narrower temperature range, are ideal for measuring foods. And thermocouples, less accurate but with a far wider temperature range, are ideal for checking the temperature of ovens. Whatever your particular requirement, the EasyLog range of data loggers and temperature monitoring devices provide a number of solutions designed to meet and exceed the regulations of food agencies around the world. To find out which solution is right for you, talk to one of our sales engineers or visit our website.